Okay, so we're on our way home. We're in Vegas, and Mr. Nolan tells us we want to stop at the Speed Cube shop. It's something apparently that's on YouTube, and we found it in the middle of all this construction place. So let's go check it. This guy is so excited right now. Look at this one.
This one.
That one is cool. What is that? It's an Earth, a globe. The Spider-Man one's pretty cool. I think, hold on, bud. I think that's the, come back over here. Oh, look, they got like a little robot that holds your Rubik's Cube. What's that? Those are pretty cool. 4th of July ones. That's what it looks like with it? Oh, it gives you a Rubik's Cube a face and some soup. I see. That's pretty sweet. Cool. Alright, show me what you got. Oh, it's over here. Yes. Keep it in the box. Soup Timmy Cube display stand. It gives your Rubik's Cube a face, right? That's awesome, dude. Alright. Very cool.